Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to set iPhone volume lower than lowest level. So let's get started. Firstly, open Control Center. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen or swipe up from the bottom on older models. Now long press on volume slider. Instead of tapping or dragging the volume slider, long press or press and hold on the volume slider. This will expand the slider, giving you more precise control. Now simply drag the volume all the way down. With the expanded slider, drag the volume to the lowest level possible. What happens is this method often allows you to get the volume lower than it would normally go with a quick press, especially for minor adjustments. It is a very simple and effective way to get the quietest setting on your iPhone. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.